Hey YouTubers, well, I'm gonna take a break from my new account and see how many views my double shot review can get. And then until then, I'll be still making more videos. But this time, I'm gonna do something awesome for my old channel. Nunchuck skills with a pair of fake handcuffs. By the way, this one's broken, so who cares? Okay, so ready? Check that out. That is awesome. Check that out. Is that freaking awesome or what? Oh, sorry, that's my tag gun. Well, hope you guys enjoyed a new video with the new HD. See you guys later.